Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting and valuable coin, the 1985 US quarter dollar. First, let's take a look at the design of the coin. The 1985 quarter features a portrait of George Washington, the first president of the United States. On the obverse, the portrait is based on a famous painting of Washington by Gilbert Stuart and has been used on the quarter dollar since 1932. On the reverse back side of the coin, we see an image of an eagle and a shield, representing the United States. The eagle is grasping an olive branch and a bundle of arrows in its talons, symbolizing peace and strength. Now, let's talk about the history of the 1985 quarter. The coin was minted in 1985, of course, and was part of a series of coins that were produced to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth. The mintage of the coin was relatively low, with only 43,695,000 coins produced. This low mintage, combined with the fact that many of the coins were not well preserved, makes the 1985 quarter a relatively rare and valuable coin. But how valuable is it? Well, the value of the 1985 quarter can vary depending on its condition, rarity, and the demand for it in the collector's market. On average, a circulated 1985 quarter in good condition can fetch between $5 and $10. However, if you have a mint state graded coin, it could be worth anywhere from $50 to $100. And if you have a Proof 65 graded coin, it could be worth even more, up to $500 or more. But what makes the 1985 quarter so rare and valuable? One reason is that it has a unique error on the reverse side of the coin. If you look closely, you'll notice that the eagle's wings are not fully detailed, and the feathers are not as prominent as they are on other quarters. This error is known as the fuzzy eagle error, and it occurred when the mint used a faulty die to strike the coins. The error is quite rare, and it's estimated that only 1% to 2% of all 1985 quarters have the fuzzy eagle error. Another reason why the 1985 quarter is valuable is its historical significance. As we mentioned earlier, the coin was produced to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth, making it a unique piece of American history. And, of course, the low mintage of the coin only adds to its rarity and value. So, if you're a coin collector or just someone interested in numismatics, the 1985 quarter is definitely a coin worth checking out. Not only is it a beautiful piece of art, but it's also a valuable and rare coin that could be worth a lot of money. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the 1985 US quarter dollar. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.